Hello guys, I hope you are doing really well. Today I am going to show you how to do the hard factory reset on your Nokia 105 mobile phone guys. So guys, I have this amazing phone for quite a while, and it's a really amazing phone in terms of battery life and everything. Okay, so how to do the factory resetting by using a simple code, and I will show you how you guys can do it. Okay, first of all, you go into your main screen, which look like this, and then press this button star. Okay guys, and then press this button hash here on the right, star hash, then 7370, and when you press the hash it will take you to a new menu guys. So I will press this button, which is hash. Okay, so as you guys can see, when I press hash, it says erase and restore factory settings guys. The purpose for this is to erase all your mobile data, including all codes and everything inside your mobile phone and all the settings. Okay guys, when I press this middle button which says continue, so it will take me to the to erase and restore factory settings guys. So when I press continue, you can see here I press continue here, it will ask me for the security code. I have a security code 12345, whatever security code you guys have, you can use it. Okay, and then press OK. Okay guys, so the mobile phone start to restore the factory settings, and it erase all mobile data. It will take like almost like 30 to 50 seconds, and it will reboot itself guys. So after erasing everything, it will reboot, and when it's restart, it will be like this. So you can select the language, any language you like. So these all languages option, and then press select, and then your mobile phone is ready to use guys. It will erase all data from your mobile phone guys. Now you don't have any messages or anything inside, and you can use this mobile easily guys. So I will repeat the code to restore the factory settings. So it was star hash 7370 hash. So when you press this star hash 7370 hash, there is a window come in your phone, and it says erase and restore factory settings guys. So this will erase and restore the factory setting that you have in your Nokia 105 mobile phone. When you press continue, it will ask you for the security code. You press the security code, whatever security code you have in your mobile phone, and then press OK, and then it will reboot itself, and it will remove all your data from your mobile phone. It is also called as hard reset on your Nokia 105 mobile phone guys. So so when you restart, it will come like this, and you select any option, and your mobile is ready to use after the mobile phone restart itself guys. So guys, I hope you like the video. I hope you understand the how to do the factory reset, how to do the hard reset in Nokia 105 mobile phone guys. So guys, please do like my video, please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.